Hello everyone and welcome to another new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rename a Notion page, and it's pretty easy. So simply open a Notion app and look at the private section option and select the page that you want to rename. And in here you can see three dot options. Simply tap on here and here you can find out the option rename. If you simply tap on here and give your page name, and that's it, your page name is created. And if you just tap on that three dot option again, here you can see a shortcut way, which is if you want to rename your page name, simply click on Ctrl Shift and R. You can also rename your page by this process. So that's all for today's video. Hope this video found you helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for more tips and tricks, and keep in touch with us.